So today I will try to change my brake pads and discs again. I already changed brake pads, but because discs still old and pretty corroded and damaged, I have to change it. I already lost 2 time to make it. Today will be third attempt to change it. So first time I just can't take off disc. Second time I try to make it again and I failed it and I break nuts. No, I break bolt, and today I will have to drill it out and try to change disc again, try to take it off again. I believe today I could do this. The last time, as you could see here, I completely make this round and try to drill it out, but my drilling bit was not so great at all, so I have to order new one. Today I believe I will drill it out, and maybe I could unscrew it. I don't believe in this, but maybe I will be so lucky. Maybe I will be so lucky that I will unscrew it, and let's see how it will work. I hope this set of drill bit will be a little bit better than my last one. I hope so. Really hope. Yes. Oh, it's so nice drill bit, and it's look fresh and new. After this, my previous one was from beginning. Looks like used at least 1 year. Okay, so last time I could not take off this disc, and it's not helped anything. And WD-40, nothing, hammering, etc. I bought a special a tool for this. This tool is this one. I will show you how to use it. I saw it on YouTube, but I believe for me it will work too. So let's check. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Finally finally I could work with it. I will try to unscrew it using grinder. Oh yeah, super nice. I actually have no hope to unscrew it so easy. I have new one, and yeah, it's work. Great. Now I believe I have to clean up this surface to not keep it so rusty, and after this I will cover it with special ceramic grease, and yeah, let's start. Now I will degrease this disc and we'll assemble it together. Let's start. Special ceramic grease for it. Now I assembled this finally, and I could start using brake pads. This one is new, but last time I could not take off this disc, and previous brake pads was so how it's so thin, it's not possible to use it anymore, and I have to use new one, but now it seems like I have to use another one, new one, because this was not so great used with old disc, and now it's not in a perfect shape. I will left it for future, maybe when this disc became older, and maybe I could use it later, maybe not, I'm not sure, but now I have to definitely use new one, which I bought because I knew that with old disc using new parts not the best idea, but unfortunately I have to, because previous one was completely useless. It was without these working parts. So let's start. we finally could assemble it together, and this is amazing amazing feelings. I'm so happy. Third time, and yes, finally I have new brake disc, new brake pads. Everything is perfect now. Let's make the same procedure, except one. This bolt, last time I unscrewed it, okay, and I hope I will not drill it out, but anything else should be pretty the same. As usual, just release two nut bolts, this one and that one. Here's the same story. I can't remove brake disc, but I have to change brake pads because they was literally zero, and yeah, the same story. We'll change it to new one. Ba-bam! This is more easy than that one, and this is great tool. Yoo-hoo. This is amazing, just amazing. I spent 2 days to take it off, and this one, how much? 5 minutes? Amazing. Thanks YouTube for this advice. It's so great. So first we have to clean it up from grease, a special brake cleaner. So I believe that's it. Let's place the wheel here. That's it. I believe next service will be try to change front brake pads and disc. And yeah, I hope with this new approach I will make it not for 3 days, but just for a couple of hours. Yeah, bear with me. Thank you.